it's cute because the Airbnb people, like our host's grandparents, it was their house. So this is our this is not our grandparents. This is our host's grandparents' house, and it's so cute. Really sweet people. It's a terrace. I am somehow really in love with their paintings. I don't know why. It gives me a lot of Cézanne and maybe Picasso, but more Cézanne and Gauguin. Is that how you pronounce it? Vibes. This is one that I love. There's one in our entrance that I really like. This one. I really like this one. And look at this, our room is up there. And oh, I love that painting too. I just love all their paintings here. It's another balcony. Airbnb hosting me this, like that's them, and it's so cute. Look at this. This is perfect for people who haven't really planned anything about what to do, so they've given the recommendations for even like food, which is great, and like shops, and you know, apart from the other tourist things. It's quite nice. But yeah.
Controls the lights. It's hard to stay focused when roses are 30,000 feet below sight. You never would notice. Remember what it felt like when you left me. Everything around me felt so lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes.
That includes both of us, huh? People with reduced mobility.
We're sitting every 5 minutes. We cannot do this anymore.
Oh yeah, these are pretty steep, bro. Careful, huh? I literally. Okay. Good
Get it, I
thing.
guess.
Get it, I guess. Good thing they put that sign.
This is too much for me.
No, girl, you can do it. Come on.
It's like, it feels like I don't go to the gym ever, but I do.
12 seconds later.
Like half my vlog, you're just like, hyperventilating. Okay.
See, a girl can be tired.
Ready?
No sleep.
Oh, okay, we're finally there. 500 years later. Yeah. I mean, I'm sorry if the videos are shaky and useless, but I'm only 5 feet and the fence is like my height. Sorry when you're my height. It's 4'9". Look at my fellow 5-footer saying it's not even your height. It's my height. Wow, what a difference. You look so glowing, sun-kissed, and constipated. Literally.
Why did you have to tell them that?
My viewers are used to like potty humor, like toilet humor.
Body humor is good, but only you are constipated, I would say. I'm just full.
She's just gassy.
I'm just always full because we've eaten such kharab khana, bro. They're calling us. We should go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Calm like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? 'Cause you're calling out to me, but there's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice if timing was better? Priorities change, but people never do. I would be a fool to think you're worth it to lose.
Yo, I think it's fine. If you forgot that I took a camera with me, which is bad, right? But yeah, here we are. Just getting ready today. Today's gonna be fun. It's gonna be relaxing mostly, but we're gonna do some shopping and we're gonna go to this bookshop which inspired Harry Potter's Diagon Alley. And yeah, so that's what guys, I need another coffee. So we're gonna go there. It's called It's called this, and we're gonna go there. Then we're gonna go do some quick shopping, and I need to buy a foundation because my current foundation is Huda. It's expiring. And did you know there's no Sephora in the Netherlands? So I thought, if I'm gonna do swatches here, I might as well do it while a Sephora is here. Everything's a mess. You know what? I think once he shuts up, I'm gonna start talking again, or else it's just gonna eat up my memory and my battery. Both thought that's an actual girl, but that's just a puppet, like a doll.
That's how I'm gonna make my future boyfriend dance with me.
Okay. Look at that. She looks so real.
Before I had a chance, I fantasized about more than just a meaningless romance. With time, I'll never get there. I'll never understand. I would take it all for granted when I could hold you in my hands.
Do you hear that song by Conan Gray, Heather? He's like, oh, ye to pratik ko hai. Come on, guys, it's kind of the same job.
It was easy with no self-control. Now you don't let it show. Nights are out too sober. I miss our drunken dance beneath the moon, the howling truth of youthful arrogance. We cursed the time that kept us and never understood how they would take it all for granted when they would hold it in their
I feel so bad for her.